Teacher, my name is Omar Jared del Angel Cruz from the group 8B of Mechatronics. Today I'm going to explain you about the homework. And here we have this first problem. It is basically a DC motor, and I use a H-bridge in order to control the direction of the movement depending on the right or the left. And here is the Arduino Uno, is the one that I select to program the code for the behavior of this circuit. And here I put a frequency meter in order to measure the frequency of my case. For my case, my letters of my ID number are 179, and that cycle represents a frequency of 5.6 approximate hertz. And let's run the simulation to see how does it work and to see the frequency for my case. And we see this working. First, the motor is moving to the right, and it will happen for 10 seconds. When at this part reach 10, the circuit is gonna stop for 2 seconds because it is the second condition for this problem. And after those 2 seconds, it will return to the left for 4 seconds, and then we will have another delay of 2 seconds of stopping the motor. And here, as you see, we reach the 10. It stopped for 2 seconds, and then it started moving to the left. It will happen for 4 seconds, and now it stops for the other 2 seconds, and now it starts reaching the velocity, the maximum velocity, little by little, step by step, in a gradual way. And if we see the wave or the graphic for this, we see that is reaching the maximum velocity. Well, we see this graphic at this way because we have a lot of cycles. In those cycles, the velocity is reached a lot of times in one cycle. But if we restart the program, we will see the first program is working at the 20% of its capacity, and we see the motor is moving like not fast at all. And then it will stop for 2 seconds when it reaches 10 in the timer, the 10 seconds. Well, this is a little bit slowly because the processor of my computer, so sorry about it. Well, it reaches the 10, and if we see, it stops and then continue again to the other direction. And in the other direction, I put a duty cycle of 50%. So basically, this is all of the behavior and all the condition for this problem, and this is all for my part. And thank you, teacher. See you next homework.